You need to hear this if you're an animal lover. Some wild animals just aren't scared of humans, at all. And the best part, they're totally harmless. First up, capybaras. These giant rodents from South America are super chill. They'll even hang out with humans and other animals. Next, quokkas from Australia, famous for their adorable smiles and selfies with tourists. Then there's the curious squirrel monkeys, who love to get close if you're gentle. And don't forget urban pigeons, they're wild, but totally cool with people. So next time you're outside, keep an eye out. You might just make a wild new friend.